Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class 8th subject English. Today's topic is on page number 46. Grammar work, noun, adjective, and adverb clauses. Look at the following sentences. Number 1, it was a cloudy night. Number 2, no stars were visible. Each of the above examples is a simple sentence because it has one finite verb. We can put the two sentences together with the conjunction and to form sentences with two finite verbs. Number 3. It was a cloudy night and no stars were visible. Now, the part of a sentence with a finite verb of its own is called a clause. A sentence with one finite verb, therefore, one clause is a simple sentence. For example, sentences 1 and 2. A sentence with more than one clause is either a compound or a complex sentence. Sentence number 3 above is a compound sentence. That is, a sentence in which clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions like and, or, nor, but, while, although, and so on. Remember that a compound sentence can have more than two clauses. For example, number 4. It was a cloudy night and no stars were visible, but we decided to go back. All the clauses in a compound sentence are independent. That is, they can stand as independent sentences. They are called coordinate clauses. Now look at the following sentence. Sentence number 5. The players walked into the field when the referee blew the whistle. In the above example, the clause the players walked into the field can stand as an independent sentence and is called main or independent clause. But the clause when the referee blew the whistle depend, depends on the main clause is make sense and is called subordinate or dependent clause. A sentence having one main clause and one or more dependent clauses is a complete complex sentence. In each of the following complex sentences, the dependent clause has been underlined. Number 6. A guest is unwelcome when he stays too long. Number 7. Pay attention to what he is going to say. Number 8. He is the man who won the competition. Number 9 on page number 47. If you have tears, prepare to shed them now. Number 10. I shall help you because I like you. Number 11. He spoke in such a low voice that few could hear him. Number 12. If you work hard, you will succeed. In each of the following complex sentences, the main clause has been underlined. Number 13. I think that he has lost the book which you gave him. Number 14. He replied that he would play when the rain stopped. Number 15. Everyone who knows you appreciates your efforts. Notice that sentences 12 and 13 have two dependent clauses. Each now state which of the following sentences are compound and which are complex. Then divide each sentence into its respective clauses. Number 1. God made the country and man made the town. Number 2. He tried hard but he did not succeed. Number 3. I am the child of the ocean and this is my lot. Number 4. He tames animals because he fond of them. Number 5. Though I had not seen Nura since she was a small baby, we were soon friends. Number 6. About half of the humanity relies on the fresh water that accumulates in mountainous regions like the Himalayas. Number 7. These things are beyond all understanding, and I do fear them. Number 8. When the sun shines immediately after rainfall, it looks very pleasant, unless Rustum is killed. Our armies can never hope to see victory. Number 10. He did so poor, he was so poor that he and his wife had to remain hungry for days together. Write down the answer. बच्चों यस यथ मज सेंटेंस नंबर 1 2 3 God made the country and man made the town. यथ वना कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. God made the country यथ ब्रैकेट यथ को अलग man made the town. यह गो ब्या वो यम दोन हन पनमत अकोई यथ वना कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. इथे पे ब्या he tried hard यथ ब्रैकेट but he did not. He यम ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट ब्रैकेट क्लोज. यम जो सेंटेंस दोन बनमुत अकोई ये बनियामुत कंपाउंड सेंटेंस वो यथ. इथे ब्या त्रेयम I am the child of the ocean. गो ये तम सेंटेंस This is my lord यह ब्या गो नम दोनों बनियामुत यह अकोई सेंटेंस ये वन कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. गो गोडनुक तो दोयम तो त्रेयम यम त्रे कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. पे ब्या सेंटेंस ये मज These things are beyond all understand. These things are beyond all understanding. को यह तम थ्रावन यथ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ताई ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट ब्रैकेट क्लोज. I do fear them. ये गो कारण यम I do not fear them. तो कारण क्लोज. को ये यह सेंटेंस कंपाउंड सेंटेंस गोस यह बी गई नम गोडिक 3 अदर कंप्लेक्स सेंटेंस कुस कुछ यथ मज कंप्लेक्स सेंटेंस यथ मज चूरिम पचम शेयम बी गोस अठम नयम दहिम चूरिम क्या लिखित यथ ही टेम्स एनिमल्स गोस हिस्स यह प्रिंसिपल यथ because he is fond of them यह गो सबऑर्डिनेट यानी यम 2 हिस्स